You may hear my cat a little bit in this video because they are going crazy right now. I don't know what's going on, so I'm sorry. What's going on? Hi guys, welcome back to my corner. Today I'm gonna do my hair, so that's why I separated my hair in half, because I'm gonna try doing my own hair. I'm gonna try to refresh my colors. So I had purple and blue-green on each side, and I'm gonna try to do something similar. Sorry for the noise, my cats are playing with the thing that I put on the floor. Yeah, so sorry. Akiri Shella. Last time I did my hair was back in August. So so last time I did my hair was back in August. It was with a professional. Today I'm doing it myself, so you know it's not gonna be perfect. Also, I'm not gonna use bleach because I do not trust myself with bleach. So I'm just gonna put colors on it and hope for the best. Today I'm gonna use Artic Fox. It's the first time that I'm gonna use this brand, so we'll see what the color look like, but I think it's gonna be good because I saw a lot of videos on Artic Fox and the colors are very vibrant, so I'm very curious to see what it's gonna look like on my hair. So I'm gonna stay in the same range of colors. I'm gonna put purple on this side, but it's not gonna be the same purple, and I'm gonna put green on this side. I'm trying to put something less bluish, more greenish, so we'll see how it looks. I'm gonna try to maybe like mix some aquamarine with phantom green just to have a little bit of blue in it because that's my favorite color. So we'll see. So these are the colors that I'm gonna use. So I have the phantom green that I'm gonna mix a little bit with aquamarine, and I have the purple, which is purple rain, and I have a little bit of diluter, so I'm gonna put maybe a little bit in these two just to make sure that it's not too dark. I have all my arsenal to keep my hair in their place. I have my brush. I have just one of these, so I'm gonna, this is Alice. And also I have some gloves. Also I have this old pajama that I use for doing my hair. So there's a lot of stain. I have blues everywhere. So this is it, guys. I did the purple and the blue green on the other side. I really hope it's okay because I don't really have a good light here, so I don't even know if I got every piece of hair. And yeah, but we'll see what it looks like after. Normally it says to leave it, what does it say? It says to leave it at least 30 minutes. For best result, cover hair with plastic cap, process with heat, blow dry up to 15 minutes, rinse hair in cold water away from face. Normally, when I use Manic Panic, I leave it like for a long time until I can't stand myself anymore. So I'm probably gonna do the same. So I'm gonna leave it as much as I can. So it says at least 30 minutes. It's probably gonna be 1 or 2 hours. Just because there's no ammonia in these. It's vegan, it's not healthy for your hair. It's not very damaging. So normally I just leave it in my hair. Sometimes I even sleep with it, put a plastic bag on my head, and I just, you know. I will see you when I rinse my hair and we'll check the result together. Bye bye. So I put a plastic bag on my hair and I'll leave it for about 1-2 hours. We'll see.
2 hours later. Later.
So guys, are you ready to see the result? Ta-da! So this is the result of my refreshed hair. I'm super happy. I think it's super cute. So of course, when I got out of the shower, I tried to blow dry them, which I never do. And they were really frizzy, and I don't know if it's the blow drying. I don't know if it's the dye itself, but my hair seemed very damaged, so I don't know why. When I use Manic Panic, it doesn't do that, so I don't know if it's the dye. I don't know Arctic Fox, so I'm gonna have to check that if it does that all the time or if it's just the blow drying that did that. My hair are damaged, like yes, but they don't look like that, so I don't know. So that's why I curl them a little bit, just to make them look a little bit more healthy. I wasn't sure about the green color. It's very green. I think it's more green in real life than on camera, but I'm getting used to it. Like, it's been 1 or 2 hours now, and I'm already getting used to it, and I'm kind of liking it. I think it's really pretty. The purple is also very pretty. It's very rich. I'm gonna show you the back. So I haven't seen the back, so I don't know what it looks like, because my lighting here is so bad I can't see anything. So I had so much anxiety when I watched the footage of me doing my hair, the purple side. Oh my god, I missed so many spots, but I feel like it doesn't really show. It came out very good, so I'm super happy. I really hoped it would be great. When I saw that, I was like, oh my god, I missed so many spots. That was really, really like bad. So tell me in the comments, do you like the color? Do you like the combo of those two colors? Would you recommend me maybe a combo color that I could try? I really like it. I'm super happy, but tell me in the comments what you think. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. If you want to follow me, you can hit the bell button. If you like this video, please, please, please like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.